Today we're going to be reviewing the X-tronics Model 3060 Pro, which is a soldering station. Here is the soldering station. First I'm going to show what it includes. So here we go. 2 helping hands, a lamp and magnifying glass, a solder roll holder, which can also go on the side too, brass sponge with flux, a wet sponge, of course a soldering iron, 3 programmable settings for what temperature you want it at, the instruction manual, a mini wrench, and 5 soldering iron tips. I forgot an anti-static alligator clip, an LED screen that shows the real temperature and the set temperature. It also goes up to 895 degrees Fahrenheit. It does not come with solder. It also has a sleep timer, depending on how long you set it for, which can be 5, 10, 30 minutes, and then it will start cooling down. Alright, let's see how fast this thing turns on and heats up. Alright, let's turn it on. Let's turn it up all the way. It has reached the temperature at 856 degrees. Alright, so let's see how this thing performs. Alright, so let's start soldering it. Alright, so the soldering iron is pretty lightweight and it's easy to hold. The thing heats up in about 15 seconds. And with everything it comes with, it's a pretty awesome kit. Not kit, soldering station. The helping hands are a great addition too. Alright, I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe. See you guys.